again. Good morning, good afternoon, and evening to the whole wide world, guys. So right now, I already came back from dropping by the food that I cook to my husband at his part-time job, guys, sa A&W. And this is the first day of the week. So it's Monday, it's October 13, guys. I'm not sure. I did not check. So ayan, it's a holiday here in Canada. So happy Thanksgiving, everyone. Thank you, Canada, for all the good blessings that you did change our lives, especially sa mga kids. Yes, and I would like just to share you guys, since it's the first day of the week, Monday. So this is the first day that our car or vehicles got frozen. Ayan, guys. Closer natin siya. So the temperature right now is -4 with a blowing wind, blowing chilly wind. Yes. Yan, buga tayo. See? We're starting to living in a refrigerator. There you go, guys. So if the weather is kind of like this, you need to start up your car for you to be able to use it, or otherwise you will be feeling cold through your driving minutes. So ayun, and especially ang worst nun is baka masira yung makina ng sasakyan nyo, guys. So you see the difference. Ito, ginamit ko na siya kasi na warm up ko na siya kanina. Ayan, wala na siya masyadong frozen state, right? Compare dito, guys, hindi pa yan nagagamit kasi wala kaming pasok ngayon. Ayan, today is my off, so ganyan itsura nila, right? Okay, see you later, guys.